Equal rights refer to the principle that all individuals are entitled to the same legal, social, and economic opportunities and protections, without discrimination, based on characteristics such as race, gender, age, religion, sexual orientation, or disability. This principle is foundational to democratic societies and is enshrined in many national constitutions and international human rights treaties. Key components of equal rights: legal equality, social equality, economic equality. 1. Legal equality definition. Legal equality ensures that all individuals are treated equally under the law, enjoying the same civil rights, protections, and obligations. Examples: equal access to the justice system, non-discriminatory laws, and equal protection against discrimination and violence. 2. Social equality. Definition. Social equality involves equal access to social opportunities and resources, such as education, healthcare, and housing. Examples: inclusive education systems, equitable healthcare services, and non-discriminatory housing policies. 3. Economic equality. Definition. Economic equality aims to provide individuals with equal opportunities to achieve economic success and financial stability. Examples: fair labor practices, equal pay for equal work, and access to job opportunities and economic resources. Historical context and development. 1. Civil rights movements. United States. The civil rights movement of the 1950s and 1960s sought to end racial segregation and discrimination against African Americans, leading to landmark legislation such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Women's rights movement. Advocates for women's rights have fought for gender equality, leading to significant legal and social advancements, including women's suffrage, reproductive rights, and equal employment opportunities. 2. International Human Rights Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR. Adopted by the United Nations in 1948, the UDHR outlines fundamental rights and freedoms that all individuals are entitled to, regardless of race, gender, or other characteristics. International human rights treaties. Treaties such as the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, and Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, CRPD, provide frameworks for promoting and protecting equal rights globally. Key areas of equal rights. 1. Racial equality. A. Anti-discrimination laws, civil rights legislation. Laws that prohibit discrimination based on race in areas such as employment, education, housing, and public services. Examples: the Civil Rights Act of 1964, United States; the Race Relations Act, 1976, United Kingdom. B. Affirmative action definition. Policies designed to address past discrimination and promote opportunities for historically marginalized racial and ethnic groups. Examples: affirmative action in college admissions and government contracting. 2. Gender equality. Equal pay. Definition. The principle that individuals should receive equal pay for work of equal value, regardless of gender. Examples: the Equal Pay Act of 1963, United States; the Equality Act 2010, United Kingdom. B. Reproductive rights definition. The right of individuals to make decisions about their reproductive health without discrimination or coercion. Examples: access to contraception, safe and legal abortion services, and comprehensive reproductive health care. 3. LGBTQ+ rights. A. Marriage equality. Definition: the right of same-sex couples to marry and enjoy the same legal benefits and protections as opposite-sex couples. Examples: legal recognition of same-sex marriage in countries such as the United States, Canada, and many European nations. B. Anti-discrimination protections. Definition: laws that prohibit discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity in employment, housing, healthcare, and public accommodations. Examples: the Employment Non-Discrimination Act, proposed legislation in the United States; the Equality Act 2010, United Kingdom. 4. Disability rights. A. Accessibility. Definition: the right of individuals with disabilities to access buildings, services, information, and technologies on an equal basis with others. Examples: accessibility standards in public buildings, provision of assistive technologies and services. B. Inclusive education and employment definition: the right of individuals with disabilities to participate fully in education and employment opportunities. Examples: inclusive education policies, workplace accommodations, and anti-discrimination laws such as the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, United States.